All right, so now we are at question 2. Well done, I'm proud of you. So let me write to say question 2. Now we are doing question 2. Let's see. It says we have the universal set U, which is going to be equal to, let's open it. It's equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the universal set. We said with everything. And they're saying that set A is going to have the sets 2, the values 2, 4, and 6. And set B is going to have the values 4, 8, and 10. Now they're saying they want you to find, okay, so if I'm going to say part A, we want universal set minus A intersection B. This is what we want, okay? And then we'll do the second part, and then we'll compare them. That's what they'll say. Now, the first thing, if we have this thing, we have a subtraction here. It's a set operation, but we also have an intersection here. So remember, when you have multiple set operations, you always solve the things that are in brackets first. So first I'm going to get A intersection B. I'm going to say A intersection B. This is going to be equal to, what is A intersection B? It is the things that are common in A, between A and B. What is that? 2, is it in B? No. 4, is it in B? Yes, so I write it 4. 6, is it in B? No, so it's only 4. So now I'm going to say universal set minus A intersection B will be equal to, what is the universal set? This whole thing minus A intersection B, which means we're only, remember, minus means you are bringing back the universal set as it is, but as you're bringing it, make sure the thing you're bringing is not in A intersection B. So we bring back the universal set. We start with 1. Is it in A intersection B? No, there's only 4 in there. 2, no. 3, no. 4, yes, so we can't bring it, so we'll go to 5. 6, no. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10, no. 11, no. So you are done. This is going to be it. Then now we do part B. We're going to now say union, okay, U minus A, which is universal set minus A, uniting with universal set minus B. So universal set minus A, uniting with universal set minus B. Okay? Now, first we're going to get universal set minus A. What is this going to be? We bring back the whole of the universal set, but we are not going to bring the things that are in A, which is 2, 4, and 6. So we are writing the numbers 1 to 11, but without 2, 4, and 6. So it's 1, then 3, then 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10, then 11. Okay? And we stop. Then we're going to now say, what is universal set minus B? It is going to be, open bracket, you don't want the things in B, which is 4, 8, and 10. So it's going to be 1, 2. Okay, in B there's 4, 8, and 10. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 9, then 10 is not, we can't bring it, then 11. Okay, so 4, 8, and 10 are out. Here it is. We have universal minus A, and we have universal minus B. Now we're going to say universal minus A uniting with universal minus B. What does it give us? Unite means bring together anything which is common in both, isn't it? So I'm going to look. 1, is it common? Yes, so I bring it. 2, is it in any one of them? Yes, 2 is in the bottom one, so I bring it. 3, is it in any one of them? Yes, it's in both, so I bring it. 4, is it in any one of them? No, so I leave it. 5, yes. Then 6, yes, it'll be. Then 7, yes, it's at the top one. 8, yes, at the top. 9, both. And 10 at the top, then 11. So here we end up having 1, 2, 3, 5, whatever. The only thing we don't have is a 4. It's the only number we didn't have. Now, and here they're saying, what do you observe? All right, so now let's compare. If I see my solution for this, it had 1 all the way to 11, but 4 was not there. And if I see this one, it had 1 all the way to 11, but 4 was not there. So it means they're equal. So that means we can just say that union minus A intersection B is going to be equal to union minus A uniting with union minus B. And this is going to be what it takes. So it's going to be, they're going to be equal because they're giving you the same answer. There we have, this is the universal set, not union. Universal set minus A intersection B, and then universal set minus A, then unite with universal set minus annoying. All right, now that's it. We can meet in the next question where we'll talk about question 1. Goodbye for now.